So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, a swing has formed at this particular level. Okay, and the same swing has formed here, and from there we have seen that a continuous downfall. If you look at overall trend, from there we have seen that the price of gold was continuously moving down. Okay, and this around of $2070, and from there we have seen it is continuously moving down. Made a low of around 1612 or 1612.13. Okay, these are the level where we have seen that the gold price have tested 2-3 times. So chances will be very high. We can see it can, if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can move further low. Okay, now look at this chart. Once this trend line has break, we have seen it has made up and made a high of around $1789, and from there we have seen it has made this swing and now trading at around $1737.82. Okay, one important thing that I have told you, that if the price comes close to this particular level 1613, probability of moving further down will be there. But if the price move above a particular level of around 1880, then we can see it can go further upside, as we can a pattern will form and a probability of moving further upside will be on a higher side. If gold can move ahead in the next 2 days. If you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in gold, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, as we have seen, a swing has formed at this particular level. Okay, and a trend after that, it's continuously on the downside. So probability is there, it can move further low and can touch a level of around $1730. Okay, and if that level all didn't sustain, because this is a strong support, so we can see a bounce back can come at this particular level. But if this level didn't sustain, then chances will be high that we can see it can move further down towards a level of around $1723. And if this level, after this 1723, the next support we can see is coming at around 1717. Okay, and if the price didn't sustain that particular level also, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $1688. Keep this in mind. If the price didn't sustain this particular level, then chances will be very high it can move towards a level of around 1688 to a level of around $1681. Okay, and if the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can fall further down towards a level of $1659 to a level of $1655. And if that level also didn't sustain, then a probability of moving further low towards a level of 1644 will be there. And keep this in mind, if the price goes below this level, then chances of touching a level of 1614 will be on a higher side. And if that level didn't sustain, then we can see a probability of moving further low will be there. Okay, now understand something, as the market is very volatile for the gold. Okay, as you can see that it is moving in downside in a descending order. Okay, but in a volatile range, so probability can be there. As we have seen, it is trying to form a swing at this particular level. Okay, so if this level sustain, we can see it can hit its first resistance of around $1746.46, and if the level sustain above that, then we can see it can touch a level of $1752. Okay, and if that level goes further upside, then chances will be very high that we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $1759.83. And if the price move above that level, then chances are very high we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 1757. Okay, and if that level goes further upside, because 1759, we can see 1757 once cross or touch it can go and touch a level of $1759, and from there we can see a probability of touching 1768 is there. As we can see that once the price is 1768 is a level which is already a weak resistance, so chances of moving further upside will be, and it can touch a level of $1786. And if the price move up that level, then we can see it can move further upside. Now if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further low towards a level of 7. So I've already explained you where the price can go. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.